This is a bubble washing machine. When you receive it, please put it in proper place to connect with the previous machine. Adjust this forefeet to touch your ground. Make it stable when walking. Here is the overflow pot. Here, and also here is for wastewater. For these three places, you need to connect a wastewater pipe. Here, you need to connect a fresh water pipe for second time washing. Connect the cable here. And this is the protector. If your electricity connection is reversed, it will be a red light. At this time, you need to exchange any two wires. After connecting the cable, let's begin to test the machine. First, let's release the emergency stop, and then turn on the delivery. You can see the belt is begin moving. Here we can adjust the belt speed, make it faster, and this is slower. Now we need to fill the tank with water. You can take a fresh water pipe to fill the tank directly. And you need to make the water level 10 centimeters higher than the belt. Now let's test the water recycling pump. Turn on this water pump switch. Water will come out from the spring nozzle. Next, let's test the air blower. Turn on this switch. You can see the water in bubbling. This is the air inlet pipe. Never block it, and you need to clean it in time. For these three functions, bubble, water recycling pump, and delivery, you can turn on all of them or any of them separately. If there is any emergency in working, press this button. The machine will stop working. This is a filter system. If there is much waste, you can take them out and take it out to clean. You need to change the water every 6 to 8 hours. Firstly, drain out the waste water and also take out the waste here. Use a high water pressure gun to flush the inside. If you want to totally clean the inside of the machine, this is an automatic lifting system to help you lift up the belt. Let me show you. Lift it in a proper place. Then we need to put this safety bar here. You can see it is very safe. Now the worker can clean the inside. After cleaning, you can take it out and put the belt down. Now we put down the belt. Now I will show you how to do the maintenance. You need to check the belt every week. If it is loose, you need to adjust these two tensioners on both sides. About the control box and the motor, it is same as previous machine. If your factory is very cold in winter, when the machine is not in use, please remember to drain out the water to make sure there is no water in the pump.